I've always loved classic lemon bars, especially around the spring and summertime. They are so good. Let's make them. You're gonna need some softened, unsalted butter and some sugar. Mix that well, and then we're going to add some vanilla extract. Once that's well combined, add some all-purpose flour and salt and mix that well. It's going to turn into like a sticky dough, and this is a shortbread crust. Place it into a 9 by 13 baking dish with parchment paper. Make sure to grease the parchment paper and then bake it for about 20 minutes. You're going to need some lemon zest and lemon juice, real lemon juice, not the bottled stuff. Here I have some flour and sugar. Give it a good whisk to get all of those lumps out. And then you're going to want to add 7 large eggs. Use room temperature eggs. About 1 tablespoon of lemon zest. Make sure to zest the lemons before juicing them. Add the lemon juice and then go ahead and give it a good whisk. And I prefer to whisk this by hand. I don't like using an electric mixer for this. And then all you want to do is pour it into your crust. Make sure to bake it and then add the filling. And then you're going to pop it in the oven for about 30 to 33 minutes or until it no longer jiggles in the center. Once it comes out of the oven, let it cool for about 1 hour. Then refrigerate for 2 hours. And then you want to top it off with some powdered sugar, and that's pretty much it.